Health and safety is critical to the quality of life for all of us. At Hitachi, we understand its importance in every industry, and we're here to help you protect your greatest resource. Today's health and safety strategies haven't kept up with the innovations that help improve processes, safety, and resilience, especially in these uncertain and changing times. And the COVID-19 pandemic has added another layer of complexity. Manufacturing, transportation, and warehousing continue to have among the highest rates of occupational accidents, injuries, and illnesses. These businesses are forced to rethink how best to protect their employees, passengers, customers, and their own reputations. Any setbacks can come with heavy costs. Health and safety come first at Hitachi. Now, we're applying our expertise to help support your efforts through our digital health and safety solution. This holistic, end-to-end solution includes strategic consulting to optimize your safety strategies, procedures, and approaches, as well as digital technologies that give you new insights to heighten safety and to help protect your reputation. These new digital technologies harness the power of artificial intelligence and the industrial Internet of Things to drive proven best practices that protect your people, assets, and facilities. Thanks to advancements in computer vision, digital technologies like 3D LiDAR and video analytics give you a wealth of automated, real-time, granular insights about smart spaces, machinery, and behavior. Insights into social distancing, human-machine interactions, slips and falls, dangerous behaviors, and proper hand washing, all while assuring privacy. Touchless panel technology also gives you options for virtual touch with screens in factories, transit stations, hotels, shopping malls, and hospitals to help reduce the risk of receiving or spreading illness. Meanwhile, thermal cameras can estimate body temperatures, screening large numbers of people non-intrusively. Insights from these technologies can help you better understand, manage, and sustain health and safety strategies, improving quality of life and building a foundation for enabling smarter operations as you take your digital steps into the future. With our digital health and safety solution, combined with over a century of expertise, Hitachi is your strategic guide along every step of your innovation journey to help you meet the challenges of today and be ready for the challenges of tomorrow.